Welcome to ISE 2025. I'm Claire Lam and I'm the category head of network camera. Here in the education area, we're showcasing our AI multi-person framing technologies with the SRG-A40 and SRG-A12, now running the latest firmware version 2. These cameras can automatically track up to 8 people in a group. With AI analytics, they ensure everyone is naturally framed in the shots. The cameras can also prioritize presenters using face registrations, which improves recognition by relying on pre-registered face data and tracking priority. Multi-person framing technologies is perfect for settings like university lectures, conferences, and panel discussions. We are also excited to announce the upcoming firmware version 3, which will be available this summer. It will introduce some exciting new features such as tracking range, fixed angle positions, and lead room effects. What's more, we're showcasing our complete PTZ camera lineup, edge analytics, and beamforming microphone to highlight how we deliver tailored video AV solutions for education. For more details, please visit our Sony Professional website.